Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and talk about an alternative for my newbies that are entering the multiple income funnel. Okay, I don't knock I love the multiple income funnel. Why? Because you have four income streams and instant cash, and it's an excellent system. It's on autopilot. Autopilot in the sense that all you do is feed the funnel. Your emails come out automatically, and you can bank commissions instantly, while you're shopping, while you're doing whatever. You just need to consistently feed the funnel. Now, I love it. But what I do want to tell you is this. As a newbie, you need an alternative traffic source, and you got to follow my logic here. I'm not going to steer you wrong, and I'm not trying to knock any company because, frankly, I believe that all make money online opportunities work. But you have to feed the funnel. You have to, as Rob Fraser says, you have to slam traffic. You have to feed the funnel. You have to have a consistent flow of traffic going into your funnel. So that's why I'm presenting this strategy, and it's a very affordable strategy. So I need you to think with me on this level here. You have top marketers being very successful in a multiple income funnel. You know why? Because they've already positioned themselves in a way that they can make more money from newbies coming in. Because why? Right. Let's follow the flow. So as a newbie, let's go to my income streams here so we can have a visual, right? As a newbie, wrong screen. So you set up your income streams. So as a newbie, you come in and you pay $49 to make $20 commissions. So that commission goes up to whoever brought you in. Then you come to step two, and you got a couple price points, right? You got a 50, let me see, a 50, 25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 2,000, right? So most people come in, low, right? And that money goes up to somebody that brought them in. So that's, just say $200 out their pocket. So now you just pay $250 to come in income stream number one and income stream number two. And that top marketer has just cashed, that was his payday. Now, as you go to income stream number three, you pay another $100 and some change, and that comes up to the person two. So now you just came out of pocket $350, right? And so that's the payday for that top marketer again. Then you come to the income stream, and you have to pay high-end traffic, and people coming into the multiple income funnel are brand new. They don't know. So they put another $200, $220 to be exact, because that's the base traffic. And that's another payday for the top marketers. As a newbie, you're feeling like drained, and you're like, I don't have enough money to do nothing. The secret is, well, it's not really a secret, it's just logic. So they've already positioned themselves to get the maximum return on investment. You're a new person coming in with no skills, no anything, and all you're doing is dishing out cash, and you're getting frustrated, and now you don't know which income stream you need because you still got to get traffic, and the traffic is expensive. Enter my idea, and my solution is the All-Star Solo Ad Service, which has very affordable traffic, and it's quality email traffic, and I'm going to show you. So just follow me, continue to follow me. So when you come in, you have the top marketers position. They're getting all the money from the newbies coming in. Now, 9 times out of 10, the newbies run out of funding for traffic, because it's so high. I submit to you to go ahead and come in, get your funnel for $49, and come in at an easy one-up level that's very affordable. But don't sign up for Text-Bot AI because that has a residual component, and you really don't need that right now. And so all you do is create your free account, put your name in there, then input your stuff in the back office, and also do the same thing with Traffic Authority. Come in and sign up, create your free account, right? And just do that, right? But where the difference is and how I suggest newbies should handle this is you need an alternative traffic source. And that is what I showed you, which is the All-Star Solo Ad Service, right? So let me show you some of the results of just consistent traffic from this source that I recently ran through. Let's go to leaderboard, not leaderboard. Let's go to leads. Oh, first let's go to leaderboard because I want to show you something because this what matters. So when I come down here to the most leads, okay, the most leads this week, but most leads ever. This guy ran over 49,000 leads into his funnel. Now, when you do the math based on traffic authority costs, there's something, it just doesn't add up because you're spending more money. You're spending a lot of money on leads if you're buying solely traffic authority. I know for a fact that most of these guys are getting traffic from other places. And the reason why I say that is because I go to Udemy, I recognize names. I go to another traffic source and I've seen the names. And, not too many people recognize names or remember faces, but I do. And so I know that there's alternatives and I know they go to alternatives. But I also know that traffic authority is a very good MLM based on traffic where you can make high commissions. So like I said, you position yourself within that company, you buy the traffic package that you can after you start generating money using this method I'm telling you. You get a cheaper, not cheaper traffic like quality wise, but a more affordable type of traffic that you can run to the funnel, that you could consistently feed the funnel, okay? And that's just an example, and these numbers are high. But when you do the math, there's no way that you can sustain sustain it, okay? So I don't, that's all I'm saying. But I'm not knocking it at all. I'm trying to offer a solution for the newbies to be able to get in and make some money. So let's go to my leads list. So right now, I just got done with a particular traffic run, and I just want to show you. So all of these leads came in here. Like all of these came in, and let's see if I can move this over a little bit. Let me click the button here. Man, I don't know. I'm trying to hide the list. Let's go to number 2, and let's come back here. And then we got the 26, and it continues. You see they're just bang, 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 bang. All of these came in on the same day. Well, that's the traffic source that I'm using. That's the alternative that I'm suggesting, okay? So now that you see those leads and came in, and the place where I got them from my very own traffic source, which is called the All-Star Solo Ad Service. So where's that screen at right here? So that's where I get these leads from. So I just want to say that that there is an alternative. So basically, you come in at the $49 level of your multiple income funnel. You buy that. You come in at an Easy One Up level because you need the training that Easy One Up provides. Then you come here and you buy traffic, and I'll show you the prices. So to buy, where this traffic comes from, it's 95% T1 traffic. Email, high quality, high opt-in. That means that you're gonna it's high opt-in. It's no bots, there's no fake clicks. It's filtered by ClickMagic. These leads come from PPC advertising, right? And media buys, which I have another video that I'll link to this video to show you what that is. And so the prices are very, very reasonable that you will be able to afford it and sustain continued traffic into your multiple income funnel until you build up some cash flow that you can make those once a month purchases into the traffic authority, like $220 a month, to get traffic from them and then level up within that multi-level marketing company, right? Because that's all traffic authority is a multi-level marketing company based on traffic. That's why the prices are high. Yes, it is targeted leads, but the targeted leads are, I'll say that for another, the targeted leads are people who are are interested in making money online opportunities. Yes, that's true. So that makes them highly targeted. But there's other things that go along with that I've seen. And but like I said, it's a great company to make commissions on. But as a newbie, it's kind of hard to get that cash flow to pay for those level ups in the traffic authority. And that's kind of all I want to say about that. But anyway, if you come here and you hit the shop button, you'll see that you can get tier 1 traffic 95% for 45 cents a click. Okay, you can get no mobile for 50 cents a click. Then they have some particular niches here, and you can buy packages where you can get 100 leads for $45. Now, mind you, so Traffic Authority, you pay $220 for 170 or 190 leads, right? For $220, you can get 500 leads straight to your funnel. So that's all I'm saying. This is an alternative, and it's high quality. So for the same $200 that you spend at Traffic Authority, you can get 500 leads directly to your funnel, and from there it's a number game. And then once you start building up the momentum and getting cash from the new signups, then you invest in the Traffic Authority traffic, right? And you build up, level up there. So everybody that's coming through your funnel sign up under you. They can still follow the same directions. But if I were you, and if I was a mentor, I would just say, listen, here's a traffic source, do this, and you can stay in the game longer and level up in TA, in Traffic Authority, when you start earning those commissions. Because right now I see a high turnover rate. People are coming in, breaking themselves, calling it a scam, and and failing and making complaints, getting refunds. When all you have to do, which I'm doing, is present an alternative traffic source so that people can stay in the game longer and see the success and know that it works. Because I swear, I see it. There are top marketers who are in the multiple income funnel and they are using alternative traffic sources. So, and nobody can tell me otherwise because I've seen the names of the purchases of people in other traffic places that I get traffic from. So you can't, I'm not knocking them, but there's an alternative. And I'm trying to be real and I'm trying to be transparent here. And I'm not trying to bash a company, but I just want you to know that there is a way. There is a way that you can have success in a multiple income funnel. And I'm presenting to you an alternative. And yeah, it's my platform. Yeah, I'm an affiliate marketer. Yeah, I'm promoting my own thing. But yeah, I know it works. And yeah, I know the problem that the multiple income funnel has with the price points that they're charging newbies who are barely having enough to invest in their businesses, okay? Without taking out a loan, right? Without start selling stuff. Like why would it? No, just reduce the price on your traffic. You can sustain your business longer and you just do that. So anyway, that's my plan. That's my strategy for you as a newbie to be successful in the multiple income funnel. Use an alternative traffic source and this high quality traffic source from my platform. Yes, All-Star Solo Ad Service is an excellent place to start. Like I said, the traffic is very affordable, 45 cents a click for 95% tier 1. And I already showed you the opt-in rate of everybody going into my funnel. And all you do is wait for the multiple income funnel auto email follow-up to produce results. But as you can see, people are running like thousands of clicks per day. And I can tell you that's not sustainable if you're buying traffic solely from Traffic Authority. So anyway, that's all that I got. I'm not bashing them. I love multiple income funnel. Otherwise, I still wouldn't be a member, right? I love multiple income funnel, and I use it to promote my 100% cash opportunities. Anyway, that's all that I got. I'll leave a link in the description box below for my platform called the All-Star Solo Ad Service as an alternative and as a way that you can guarantee your success in the multiple income funnel opportunity. And maybe I'll put a link down there to show you a plan, or maybe I'll make a video of how to do this. But for the most part, you sign up for the multiple income funnel, you get the first income stream, which is actually the funnel itself. Then you come in at the second income stream, get the easy one up at a level that you're comfortable with. Then you create your free accounts for TextBot and a free account for Traffic Authority, and you buy traffic from the All-Star Solo Ad Service. And that's the plan. You should have much more success, and it'll be easier on your pockets. Anyway, that's all that I got. Like, share, subscribe. Click the link below. Check out the All-Star Solo Ad Service. And hey, to your success, thanks for hanging out.